Ever wondered about the powerhouse of nutrition that fits right into the palm of your hand? Get ready to dive into the world of peanuts, the unsung heroes of health. Ready to transform your daily routine with the power of peanuts? Hit that like button to show your enthusiasm for this nutritional powerhouse. And subscribe for more insightful content on wellness, nutrition, and lifestyle. 1. Heart Health Champion. Peanuts are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats, including omega-9, promote good cholesterol (HDL) levels and help reduce bad cholesterol (LDL), safeguarding your cardiovascular health. The potassium content in peanuts supports blood pressure regulation, contributing to a healthier heart and reducing the risk of hypertension. If you were to create a signature peanut butter sandwich, what unique ingredient would you add to make it stand out? 2. Weight management wonder. Peanuts are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which aids in promoting a feeling of fullness. This, coupled with the protein content, helps control appetite, making them a valuable addition to weight loss or management plans. The high protein content in peanuts not only assists in weight loss but also supports muscle development, making them an excellent choice for those looking to build or maintain muscle mass. Recommendation: for optimal benefits, aim for around 30 grams per day, that's about 20 to 25 peanuts. Adjust based on individual factors such as age, sex, and health status. 3. Cancer-fighting nut. Peanuts contain phytosterols, resveratrol, and folic acid, substances known for their anti-cancer properties. Research suggests a significant reduction in the risk of colon cancer with regular peanut consumption. Regular intake of peanuts may inhibit the growth of cancer cells in the colon, providing a protective shield against one of the most prevalent and deadly forms of cancer globally. 4. Youthful skin ally. Peanuts, rich in vitamin C, play a crucial role in collagen production. Collagen is vital for maintaining skin elasticity, preventing wrinkles, and contributing to an overall youthful appearance. Niacin, also present in peanuts, aids in blood vessel dilation, promoting improved blood circulation beneath the skin, further enhancing skin health. 5. Sexual health supporter. The combination of vitamin E and arginine in peanuts contributes to enhanced blood flow, benefiting both men and women in aspects like erectile function and semen quality. The abundance of zinc in peanuts is essential for testosterone production, enhancing vitality and motility of sperm, thus promoting overall sexual health. 6. Brain-boosting snack. Dietary niacin intake, found in peanuts, has been linked to a slower rate of cognitive decline and a reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease, making peanuts a brain-friendly snack. Vitamin E, as an antioxidant, helps protect the brain from oxidative stress, contributing to the preservation of cognitive function and memory. Which celebrity or historical figure do you think would be the ultimate peanut aficionado, and why? Let me know in the comment section. 7. Blood sugar stabilizer. The combination of monounsaturated fats and dietary fiber in peanuts helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing rapid spikes and dips. This is particularly beneficial for those at risk of or managing type 2 diabetes. 8. Nutrient-packed powerhouse. Peanuts are a rich source of essential nutrients, including niacin and vitamin E, vital for cognitive health and memory retention. The combination of these nutrients makes peanuts a well-rounded addition to your diet, supporting overall health and well-being. Eating peanuts every day can have both positive and negative effects on health. While peanuts are a good source of protein and healthy fats, excessive consumption may lead to certain complications. Let's know about some potential complications associated with daily peanut consumption. 1. Allergic reactions. Peanuts are a common allergen, and individuals with peanut allergies may experience severe allergic reactions, including anaphylaxis, which can be life-threatening. 2. Oxalate content. Peanuts contain oxalates, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Those with a history of kidney stones may need to monitor their peanut intake. 3. Digestive issues. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort, such as bloating or gas, due to the high fiber content in peanuts. This can be more pronounced when peanuts are consumed in large quantities. 4. Anti-nutrient content. Peanuts contain anti-nutrients like phytic acid, which can interfere with the absorption of minerals like iron and zinc. This may pose a concern for individuals with nutrient deficiencies. Remember, while enjoying the benefits of peanuts, always maintain a balanced and varied diet for optimal nutrition. Now that you've discovered the amazing world of peanuts, it's time to make them a delicious part of your daily routine. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your favorite way to incorporate peanuts into your diet, and have you experienced any positive changes? Your experiences might inspire others on their health and wellness journey. If you're ready to embrace a healthier lifestyle, hit that like button, subscribe for more nutritional insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Here's to your health. Snack on, smartly.